Now we are going to discuss method of undetermined coefficients, right? Now so we'll solve this problem, right? Solve d square plus 4d plus 4 into y 4x square plus 6 into e power x by method of undetermined coefficients. Method of undetermined coefficients means complementary function is same, only the change is how this particular integral, right? There is another way, alternative way to find the particular integral of a given differential equation, and that particular integral is based on complementary function and q of x, right? Now this method is called method of undetermined coefficients. Now we are going to solve this problem by method of undetermined coefficients. Now first of all, what you are going to do, now first of all you write what is the given differential equation. D square plus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 4x square plus 6 into e power x. You call that equation number 1. Now this equation 1 can be written as what, f of d into y is equal to q of x, where f of d is equal to what, d square plus 4d plus 4, and q of x is equal to what, 4x square plus 6 into e power x. What is our aim here? Our aim is to find the solution of a given differential equation, right? Now this one, to find a particular integral or complementary function, first of all you have to find the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. That means we have to replace d by m in f of d, and we have to equate it to 0. This equation is called what? Auxiliary equation. Now what is auxiliary equation here? M square plus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. This can be written as m plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. That means m plus 2 is equal to 0, m plus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to minus 2 comma minus 2. The roots are real and equal, right? In this case, how to write the complementary function? Complementary function yc is equal to c1 plus c2 into x. 2 times it is repeated now. c2 into x into e power minus 2 root into x, right? This is complementary function. Now how to find a particular integral? Particular integral is equal to yp is equal to, concentrate here, we are finding the particular integral by using method of undetermined coefficients, right? In this case we have to concentrate on q of x. Now q of x contains how many terms? There are two terms are there. One is x square term, another one is e power x term, right? There are two terms are there. One is polynomial function, another one is an exponential function, that is e power x. Now here in complementary function, what is that function? E power minus 2x is there. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏమైనా కామన్ ఉన్నాయా? నో టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ కామన్, రైట్? ఆర్ ఇన్ కామన్. There is e power x is there, e power minus 2x is there. Both are different now. And here x square an extra term. Here in this method, to find a particular integral, we have to write the linear combinations of those terms which are not in common in this first case, right? Now first one, where q, once again I am writing here q is equal to what? 4x square plus 6 e power x. All these the terms are different now. Forget about those constants. Now linear combinations you write down. A into, you take the first term, right? Neglect the constant. A into x square plus b into, its derivative you write down. Derivative of 2x is, derivative of x square is 2x, right? Neglect the constant, that means x coefficient. Now plus c into derivative of this one, This one derivative of x is 1. That means c into 1 over next. Plus another term is there, e power x. Now some d into this function e power x, plus if you write plus e into derivative of this one is e power x is e power x only. That's why no need to write that one, no need to repeat that one. Now this is the particular integral of the given differential equation. Got it? Now what are a b c d here? A b c d are unknowns here, right? Here where a b c d we have to be determined. A b c d have to be determined. These are unknowns. Now how to find out these constant unknowns? That means simply you differentiate this one, yp whole dash, differentiation of this one with respect to x you are doing. Now what you will get here? Differentiation of this one is 2ax plus differentiation of bx is b, differentiation of c is 0, plus differentiation of this one is d into e power x only, right? Now once again, now this one we are simplifying, y dash p is equal to 2ax plus b plus d into e power x. Once again you differentiate, y double dash p is equal to, what you will get here? 2a, differentiation of this one with respect to x is, now this one 0, plus d into e power x as it is, d into differentiation of e power x is e power x only, right? Now you call that equation number 2. So this one is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. Solving equation 2, 3 and 4. That means you can subtract these two, you can subtract these two, you can subtract these two, right? By solving those equations, you will get the values as a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 3 by 2 and d is equal to 2 by 3, right? Therefore yp, substitute those values in equation 2, what you will get? Yp is equal to 1 into x square, b is minus 2 into x, plus c value is what? 3 by 2, plus d value is 2 by 3 into e power x. Once again we are writing yp is equal to x square minus 2x plus 2 by 3 into e power x plus constant, lastly we are writing 3 by 2. Therefore general solution of equation 1 is y is equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y is equal to, what is yc? c1 plus c2x into e power minus 2x plus yp is x square minus 2x plus 2 by 3 into e power x plus 3 by 2, right? This is general solution of given differential equation. Now this is method 1 in undetermined coefficients, right? Complementary function is same, only the change in particular integral. This is case 1. Now method of undetermined coefficients. Differential equation given to you like this. There is a general given differential equation, right? The general solution is given by always y is equal to yc plus yp only. What is yc here? Complementary function. What is yp? Particular integral, right? yc is common, complementary function is common. Now there are number of methods to find the particular integral. It depends upon q of x. In a method of undetermined coefficients, how to find a particular integral, right? Now here in y, to find yp by this method, it is necessary to compare the terms of q of x with the terms of yc, right? Now case 1, no term of q of x in equation 1. Equation 1 means given this one, right? Now is the same as a term of yc. If the two terms in common, then how to write in that case the yp particular integral will be a linear combination of terms in q of x and all its linearly independent derivatives. Just now we wrote like this, no? Now we know q of x. Q of x is what? 4x square plus 6 into e power x. Now neglecting the coefficients or constants, we have to write the linear combination. Now first term is x square. Now we are writing linear combination a into x square plus b into its derivative 2x you will get. Again neglect the coefficient x only plus c into derivative of this one 1 over next plus d into now this combination neglect the coefficient that is e power x plus if you write e into derivative of e power x is e power x and low repetition is not allowed, therefore leave it like that only, right?